if you are living in Nigeria now, you will agree with me that either as a student, working class like myself, single or married, you will agree with me that more than ever before, it is important to have more than one source of income. Why? Because cost of living are rising. The agent is even the worst part of it. The salary are not coming out as at when due. The economic situation does not even look like it's going to get better. The bills are piling up every day. And this is one of the reasons I'm going to assist you with the same business opportunity I learned a few months ago that has able to change my life and the life of many people. Now, I get you covered. I will be hosting a free WhatsApp class where I'm going to show you exactly how my students and I are making between 150,000 to 250,000 naira monthly with our smartphone, internet connection, and 25,000. Click the link now to join the class. I will see you in the class. Cheers.